Hello and welcome to AD Vlogs. In this video, as I had promised in my earlier video on the GoPro accessories and kits that you need for motovlogging, uh, I have prepared this video on setting up a audio recording system for your GoPro if you are into vlogging or motovlogging, including motovlogging. So you can follow the link in the I button here on your screen at the top to watch my video on the GoPro accessories, essential accessories and kits that you need for vlogging, travel vlogging or motovlogging. So let's get down into the details of these things that you can see on your screen. Now you can always choose to not use so many equipments and simply stick with the internal microphone of your GoPro. But what happens is that using the internal microphone in a noisy environment will make your audio very unclear, very inaudible. And secondly, when you are into travel vlogging, if you are talking into the microphone holding your GoPro a bit far away from you, then it will not be able to capture your audio at all properly. So that will be the issue with your with a choice to use the internal microphone of the GoPro only and not use any external microphone. And also, if you are using your GoPro to record your voice while, say, the GoPro is mounted on your helmet, and in such situations, firstly, there will be a lot of wind noise which you will not be able to mitigate without any external microphone, and secondly, the GoPro itself will not be able to capture your audio properly because you will be talking from inside the helmet. The voice won't reach the internal microphone of the GoPro properly. So now, firstly, to be able to record audio with your GoPro, I have a GoPro Hero 7 Black with me. The first thing, the very basic thing that you need is this mic adapter. This thing will cost you something around 4,500. I will leave a link to each of these products in the description below, so you can follow those links to purchase these products. This will be available on Amazon as well as other websites like Reliance Digital or Tata Chroma, Tata Click, or other such websites. So this is the first thing that you need to be able to use external microphone with your GoPro, because GoPro does not support external microphones with this adapter. By external microphone, I mean external microphones with this 3.5 mm jack, because the GoPro does not have any such 3.5 mm jack, and that's why you need this adapter to make these things compatible with your GoPro. Now the next thing that you will need to be able to conveniently use this microphone adapter with your GoPro is this case. This is called Ulanzi GoPro vlogging case. I will again leave a link to this product in the description below. You see, after you connect your microphone adapter with your GoPro, this thing will hang like this. So it is not very convenient. You will have to find a way out to be able to properly keep it properly in a convenient manner, so that it does not hang around like that. So that's why you need this case. This case has this convenient pocket at the bottom, at the base of the case, where you can conveniently put in your microphone adapter, and the connector will connect with the GoPro on the other side. That's how it is. And just in case you want to use a horseshoe mount to be able to put an external microphone here at the top while you are recording yourself like this, holding it like this, you can easily do it here at the top. So this is a very essential kit that you will again need to set up your microphone, external microphone. Next, you can see there are these two different microphones. These are both lavalier or lapel type microphones, but one is very short and the other one has a wire attached to it. This is the one that I use while recording while riding. That is, this mic stays inside my helmet near my mouth, close to my mouth, to record my voice audio, and the GoPro is fixed on my helmet. That this bit you must be knowing. Now this is the one which I use instead of a horseshoe mount microphone at the top. This one is very convenient. I purchased it from a website called thefutureforward.in. I will leave a link to this product again in the description. You can follow that link to purchase this product. This thing is a unidirectional mic. I'll show you how it works. It is called the Saramonic SR-XM1. Here is its box. Saramonic SR-XM1. You have to just plug it inside this microphone port of your GoPro audio adapter, and then you can turn it your way or the other way, whichever way you think, and it will only record the voice that is thrown at it. It does a wonderful job in mitigating any other noise that comes from the sides or the rear behind it. Now comes the trickiest part while choosing the external microphone for your GoPro. You see, I have 3 microphones here. This one, and this one. Now on this one you can see there are 2 black rings. This thing is called a TRS jack, TRS pin. This is the tip. This thing here between these 2 black rings is called the ring, and the lower part is called the sleeve. Same thing for this one. You see there are these 2 black rings. So this is the tip, this is the ring between these 2 black lines, and then the sleeve, the base part. But here on this microphone you will see there are 3 black rings, 1, 2, 3. So it has a tip, it has a ring, again another ring, and then the sleeve. So this is called a TRRS pin, tip, ring, sleeve. And these are called TRS pins, that is tip, ring, sleeve. Now what you have to remember is that this TRRS pin will not work with the GoPro. You need these TRS pins to be able to make it compatible with GoPro audio adapter. So while purchasing this external microphone, be extremely careful about that. Do not purchase this TRRS pin microphones. You need this TRS pin microphones. If you purchase these ones, then you will again have to purchase adapter, that is a TRS male pin to TRRS female. The TRRS female part will accept this one, and the male end with the TRS pin will go inside the GoPro's microphone adapter here. This is the kind of TRS to TRRS adapter that you have to use if you are using a microphone that has a TRRS pin. This female end, it takes in a TRRS pin, and this TRS pin will go inside the microphone plug of the microphone adapter of the GoPro. I purchased this from a website called AV Connect. I will leave a link in the description below. It cost me $2.99 only. MRP is $4.99, but they charged only $2.99 on their website plus some shipping. And there are costlier options available, like the Rode SC3, which costs around 1,000 to 2,000 depending on the website that you are purchasing from. So that was all about this video. I hope you like it, and I hope it solves any problems or issues that you might be facing regarding choosing an external microphone for your GoPro. So if you like it, please do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get updates on the new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.